How to use time productively. To make the best use of your time, the first step is to prioritize effectively. Identify the tasks that are most important and will have the biggest impact on your goals. Utilize frameworks like the Eisenhower Matrix, urgent/important, to categorize tasks into those you need to do now, schedule for later, delegate, or eliminate. By focusing on priorities, you avoid wasting energy on less significant activities. The second step is to plan and manage your time efficiently. Create a realistic daily or weekly schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each task and strive to stick to it. Use tools such as digital calendars, task management apps, or even manual notes to help organize and track your progress. Avoid multitasking, as it often reduces efficiency. It's better to focus on one task until completion before moving to the next. Additionally, schedule time for breaks and recreation to stay refreshed and maintain long-term productivity.